Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Tangem wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Kraken wallet and then click on this action button or the double arrow button at the bottom of your screen. Then from this window, you have to click on withdraw. And from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the currency that you want to transfer in your Tangem wallet. I will just select USDT from here. Then on the screen, you have to tap on this select address option. After that, it will give you this window where you can see all of your wallet address that you have added in your Kraken. Now to add your new wallet, click on this add wallet addresses option at the bottom of your screen. Then you have to select the network that you want to use. Then you just have to paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your Tangem wallet and then click on this three dot icon or menu icon at the top of your screen. Then you have to click on this wallet option from here and then click on manage tokens. After that, you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive in your Tangem wallet. I will just search for USDT and then select the USDT from here. Then it will list bunch of networks that you can use to receive your USDT. Now you just have to enable the right network that you want to use and then click on this save button. After that, your enabled cryptocurrency will be listed on this home screen. So you have to click on it, click on this cryptocurrency from here, and then you have to click on this receive button. After that, on this window, you will be able to get your QR code and the wallet address. Now all you need to do is click on copy button, and once you do that, your wallet address will be copied to your clipboard. Now you need to go back to the Kraken wallet and then paste the wallet address in this input bar and then click on continue. Then your wallet address will be added here. Now from here you have to tap on the wallet address that you have added now. Then on the screen just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on review. And once you do that, it will ask you to confirm or double check your wallet address and network and amount. And once you confirm these details, click on transfer and your cryptocurrency will be transferred. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.